Right guys, we're at a new location, shipwreck. Just joking with you. This is commitment, this is, without in whatever storm we got at the moment. And yeah. Storm Brian, here we are, Storm Brian. There's nothing left of the place. It's changed a lot since the last couple of years I've been here. It's literally underwater. Honestly, the boys are just as wet as where I am. And it honestly is like we're on a shipwreck. It's just been raised out the water. Actually, I'd probably be drier on a shipwreck, just got raised out the water. But check this place out. Some graffiti. The roof is literally just gone. It's going to be windy, so apologies. It's blowing a gale in here. It's on the GoPros, nothing I can do about it. Just check this place out. Some old boiler. It's literally just dripping everywhere in here. Yeah, it's something I've done numerous times. First time I done it was around about 2010. And it's changed a lot since. I used to go upstairs at that point in here, believe it or not. Steps to nowhere, and that's actually only just resting. Things you do, eh? Well, that's not promising, is it? And they've got wooden beams. Just trying to hold the floor. This location has been bought over the last year, so I don't think it'll be long and this place will be knocked down. And I can see a familiar sight over here at the corner of my eye. This little green dude, he's in a lot of abandoned factory buildings. You can make him out down by there. Just look at these. See, this was a bakery, guys, that's all I'm going to say, so I'll give you sort of an idea of the stuff that used to go on here. Oh, but that's actually dry. An old tank. Said it's all near enough the same. There's not a whole lot to see in here. Nevertheless, some of you might enjoy it. Back out onto the main part. Just back out in the rainway. It's an awesome looking style sort of thing. Not sure what that would have been. Sorry, I know there's rain going on the lens. There used to be a pretty awesome petrol pump here. Trucks would have been to fill the trucks up or the generators up. But that's gone, which is pretty sad. Most of the stairs have also gone. Right guys, gonna wrap the video up there. Weather's against us, but not so much that. The majority of it's been knocked down, which we've only just realised. So I guess what I said earlier about the place being bought and knocking down, it's already started. It's not worth the main explore, you know, it's not worth a Tuesday or Friday video. I'll just probably put it up somewhere between the week, you know. Enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.